Hello class again. How are you? Ready for your science lesson? Yes, this is your science class. Which class? Science. And today we are going to learn some very interesting thing. I'm sure you all must be very happy and excited to hear and see all these things. Yes? Now we are going to learn about different animals, where different animals live, right? Now, I'll be showing you a video. I want you all to look at the video with your eyes and listen it with your ears very carefully. All right? Okay. Now, let's start. I'm going to share that with you. Okay? So, watch this video very carefully. One, two, and
And where they
let's go.
live.
Which animal is this?
Ant.
It's an ant. Yes. Where does ant live?
Ant hill.
Ant hill. Wow. Look at this animal.
Bear.
It's a bear. And bear lives in a
Cave.
cave. Wow. Yes. This is a horse.
Horse.
It lives
Stable.
in a stable. Which animal is this?
Hen.
Wow. It's a hen. And hen lives in a coop. Lion. Wow. Lion lives in den. Spider. Spider lives in a web.
Web.
Right. It's a dog. Dog lives in a kennel.
Kennel.
Rabbit.
Rabbit. Bull.
Bull.
Mouse.
Mouse. It's live in a
Hole.
hole. Yes, so these were all the different animals
Animals.
different at the different places. Now watch. So this was your video about different animals where they were living, right? Now there are different types of animals. They are small also, there were big animals also, and other animals. Now I'm going to share a PowerPoint with you, and that also helps you to learn where different animals live. Okay, where do animals live? Now see these animals, the next picture which I'm showing
Ant.
you. Now these animals, they live in the
Ant hill.
jungle. This is an elephant, monkey, lion. They all live in
Bear.
jungle. Now these animals, they are farm animals. They live in on the
Cave.
farm. Cow, this is a goat. They all live on a farm. And
Horse.
these are water animals. Water animal lives in the
Stable.
water. It lives in the sea. You can see shark, starfish, crab. They
Hen.
all live on in the sea. And these animals are, they live on the tree. Now they are different birds, especially owl, squirrel. They all live on the tree. And these are the forest
Lion.
animals. They mostly live in the forest, correct? So this
Hen.
was all about the where they live and what they eat and different types of animals. Okay, so now that means that you know about where these different animals they live. Yes? Okay. Now, the other thing which I'm going to tell you is about you can see the animals which I have shown you. Some of them were wild, some of them were like small and all that, but they all live at different places, right? So they were small animals also, they were water animals also, they were wild animals also. Yes, now you have seen all these. You have seen the video also, you have seen the PowerPoint also. Now I think there must be something in your mind that is clear, right, about where animals live, right? So can you just name few of the small animals? Yes, Neha? Yes, a cat, correct. A dog, correct. Okay, very nice. Can you name some water animals also? Yes, Alia? A fish, correct. Yes, Ali? Wow, a crab. A crab. Wow, that's great. Okay, and wild animals. Yes, again, Ali, come on. Wild lion. My God, lion. Any other wild animal? Yes, Neha? A fox. Great. So these are different types of animals who live in different places. Remember, we are learning about animals in the class. Our main topic is animals. The unit is animals. So you should know. In the previous class, you have done about the different types of animals and about the eating habits, about the characteristics and all that. Here today you are learning about where do animals live, right? So you have seen that a dog lives in a kennel, an ant live in the ant hill, right? And there are different animals who lives in like forest, jungle, water. These are the different places of animals, right? Now, very, very quickly in your notebooks, you are going to write down the name of any one animal and where does it lives, okay? So your time starts now. One, two, three, start. Okay. Now your time is up. Raise your hands. Now tell me one animal and where does it live? Starting from this Ali. Yes. A lion. Wow, very good. Where does a lion lives? Jungle. It lives in the jungle, in the forest. Wow, very good. Okay. Yes, Alia, what have you written? You have written an ant. Wow. And where does an ant lives? Anthill. Very good. Great job. Okay. Yes, Neha, what you have written? A bird. Do you have a name for the bird? You can say an owl. Okay. Where does it lives? Lives on the tree. Good job, my class. I'm so happy for you all. That's so nice. Now you know where all these different animals they live and they are all different from one another and yet they live at different places also and they adapt themselves to the environment of that place, right? Suppose if the animals are living in the sea. So they adapt themselves to the sea environment. Same goes for the animals who lives in the jungle, in the forest. They adapt themselves to the environment of that place of jungle and in jungle and forest it's very hot. It's hard to find water, but these animals, they adapt themselves to the various situations, right? Same goes for the animals who live in the, you can say on the tree, right? The birds especially. So they adapt themselves to the same environmental situation, but they live in different places. They get their food from there. They get everything what they need, food and water. They search for that. They hunt for the food and for water, and yet they live over there at different places. So I hope now it's very clear on about the animals, where do they live, and about the how do they adapt themselves, right? So what I want you to do is I'll be posting up your homework on the portal. Do your homework and do watch all the videos. There are I have only shown you one video. There are loads of videos on Edworld. You can find out, you can search for the videos and you can see them. Right? I'll be showing a small video to you. Just look at this and again you will learn about the animals. Where do they live? Start. Come on. Watch this video.
These animals live.
Let's learn.
Oh, the deer lives in the forest. That's his habitat.
Habitat is forest. Now these are the forest
Giraffe.
animals.
Giraffes lives in the forest as well. Oh,
Giraffe
that's a big
lives in the
giraffe
forest.
passing through. And that's their home. They love to roam around in the forest. Oh, that was an elephant. Elephant's habitat is also a forest.
Elephant also lives in
Tiger.
forest.
Shh, the tiger is passing by.
It's a tiger. It also
Oh,
lives
the
in
tiger.
forest. See, it is all the
Leopard is
videos showing the same things which I have also shown you on
because
PPT.
its habitat
Leopard, it also lives in the
is the
forest.
forest. Oh, squirrels.
Now this is the habitat of the tree, the animals who lives on the trees. A squirrel lives on the tree.
Hello? What are you looking for? Are you scaring the frog away? Ah, birds.
These are all tree
The
animals.
habitats for birds are the
A
trees.
bird.
And so the monkeys.
There goes the monkey.
The trees are the habitats for a snake as well. Oops. Snake.
A snake. Wow.
Nice.
Now the
That's a
pond
swan.
animal.
A habitat for
It's
the
a duck.
swan and the fishes.
Fish also lives in the pond.
That's where they live.
Sharkfish, starfish.
And that's where they roam around. For turtles, land and water.
Land and water
It's
animals.
inside.
Now this is a turtle. It lives in land also, on land also, and it lives in the water as well. Same goes for crocodile.
The crocodiles are also land and water.
And
Frog.
a frog, yes. It can live on land
There's
as
a
well as
big
on
fish
water.
like whales.
These are water animals, the sea animals.
And all
Fish,
fishes is the
sharks,
sea.
starfish.
Habitat for
These are farm
chicken.
animals.
Oh,
This is a hen.
is a farm.
It lives in the
With
farm, on the
different kinds of
farm.
habitats for animals, such as farm.
A
Rabbit is
horse,
also a farm. For horse, it's also a farm. It's a unicorn.
cow,
Cow.
buffalo. They all live on the farm.
And the cows, the
The
buffalo,
sheep.
they all live in a farm. The sheep, oops, there they go. They all live in a farm.
Soil animals.
A habitat
These are worms.
for snails and creatures like those
Ant,
is the soil.
house. The animals that lives in the house. Could be a dog, a
That's
cat,
for the doggy.
a rabbit,
Yeah, that's a dog. Whoop, whoop.
a
The
cat,
habitat for a dog,
spider. You
A
can see
dog has-
spider.
just like the ant. Ant has just like the cat.
So you have seen all these animals now. Now quickly, before wrapping up, I want you to tell me that did you like the video? Yes. Now these are all Edworld videos. Please go and look at these videos. They are very, very interesting videos. You can find everything. You can find some stories also and videos on different animals also. Search for that and do watch Edworld videos. Okay. So you have seen how beautifully it was shown that different animals living in different places, in the house and on the farm and on land, in sea and different other places, on the trees, right? These are the habitat of different animals, as you have also given me answers about small, water and wild animals. That was very good. Now, we are wrapping up the lesson. I want you to tell me one name of your favorite animal and why do you think that animal is your favorite? Yes, come on, Neha. Your favorite animal is a cat. Wow, why do you think it's your favorite? Because you can keep it in your house. You can keep it as your pet. Yes, Ali, which animal is your favorite? Lion. Wow, it's a wild animal. Wow, you like lion? Okay, why? Because it runs fast. Very good. All right. So it means that you are very, very clear about the topic that about where animals live, right? So do your homework, watch the Edward videos. See you tomorrow in your next